Installing a PVC drain is pretty simple, but small mistakes can cause slow draining, leaks, and clogs down the road. In this video, I'll walk through some big PVC drain mistakes and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, not enough slope. This one is a big one. Your drain line needs slope so waste and water can flow properly. Check with your local plumbing codes for this one, but a lot of times the rule of thumb is at least 1/4 inch per foot. Too little slope and water just sits in the pipe. Take the time to check slope with a level before you glue anything. Once PVC is glued, there's no undo. Number 2, skipping pipe support or straining the pipe. PVC needs support, especially on horizontal runs. Unsupported pipe can sag over time, which creates low spots where water and debris can collect. Use proper pipe straps to keep them supported, especially before closing up walls or cabinets. If you have to force fittings into place, something's wrong. Drain lines should line up naturally. Stress on the pipe can cause leaks later, especially at slip joints. If it doesn't fit easily, stop and adjust the layout. Number 3, gluing before dry fitting. Before you glue, dry fit every piece. Double check slope, direction, and depth, then mark alignment lines with a Sharpie. PVC glue sets really fast. Once you commit, that's it. Marking alignment lines ahead of time makes it easy to slide the fitting on and hit the right position without scrambling to adjust while the glue is already setting. A couple extra minutes can save an hour of cutting things back out. Speaking of cutting things back out, mistake number 4 is using the wrong fittings. A regular T is not the same as a sanitary T or a Y. Using the wrong fitting might work like this T, but it can cause turbulence, slow drains, and clogs over time. In this situation, the correct fitting to use is a sanitary T, which has a curved end that allows your snake line to run through easily, without making a 90-degree bend. These mistakes remind me of Proverbs 24:3, "By wisdom a house is built." And sometimes that just means slowing down and doing the small details right. And if you make a mistake, no big deal, just fix it. If you want to see a full drain install from start to finish where I tie into an existing vertical stack, check out the video linked here. This is all part of my basement finishing series. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more real-world DIY. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.